Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My dear students, to get the videos continuously, you need to subscribe, share and like the channel. So that will be a kind of encouragement for me. Your like, your sharing and your subscription is a type of encouragement that encourage me to make more and more videos. So don't forget to like, share these videos. So in the last video I explained the various methods to get the solution of the linear simultaneous equations in two variables. I hope you remember. Today I am going to do the questions of the exercise 5a using the most suitable method, and that is addition or subtraction method. But remember, if it is mentioned in the question paper that using this method solve the following equations, so you have to use that method. In case you don't use, you will not score any mark. Remember it, examiner will not give you the marks for the solution which you get without using the method which is mentioned in the क्वेश्चन पेपर. इसलिए क्वेश्चन पेपर में अगर मेथड का नाम लिखा है तो आप उस मेथड को ही यूज़ करेंगे, अदरवाइज आपके नंबर कटेंगे. If the method's name is not mentioned, so you are free to use any of the four methods which you think for you as an easy or easier method. So I start with question number 1. I hope you know the question from the book which I solve or from S. Chance ICSC Mathematics. Question number 1. If 5, k is solution, k is solution of the equation 2x plus y minus 7 equals to 0, find the value of k. Remember, my dear students, to get the value of k, at the place of x you will put 5 and at the place of y you will put k in this equation. Okay, so let us put 2 into 5 plus k minus 7 equals to 0. Since 5, k is solution, this becomes an equation in variable k. So 10 plus k minus 7 equals to 0. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 plus k equals to 0. So k equals to 0 minus 3 minus 3. Question number 2. We have two equations, x plus y equals to 5 and x minus y equals to 3. Let us solve these equations to get the values of x and y. So we will number them. हम इनकी नंबरिंग करेंगे. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. And I have decided to get the answer by addition subtraction method. For that, I hope you remember, we eliminate a variable. That variable can be either x or y. To eliminate the variable either x or y, in both the equations, the variables which you want to eliminate should have same numeral coefficients. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट कराने को सोचेंगे. अगर आपने y को एलिमिनेट कराने को सोचा है तो y के न्यूमरल कोफिशिएंट्स दोनों इक्वेशंस में सेम होने चाहिए. यहाँ पे न्यूमरल कोफिशिएंट क्या है? 1. यहाँ पे न्यूमरल कोफिशिएंट क्या है? -1. दे आर इक्वल. ओनली वन डिफरेंस, opposite in sign. It doesn't matter. First, our target is to make the coefficients equal of the variables of the variable to be eliminated. So if you want to eliminate y, so both the terms of y in both the equations should have same numeral coefficient. So they are already having same numeral coefficient. So to eliminate the terms of y, we will have to either add or subtract. I hope you know, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जिसको आप एलिमिनेट कराना चाहते हैं उनके कोफिशिएंट सेम होने चाहिए, और वो कोफिशिएंट्स केवल सेम ही नहीं, अपोजिट इन साइन भी होने चाहिए. तो बाय द वे यहाँ दोनों के कोफिशिएंट्स 1 और -1 है, अपोजिट इन साइन है. इन दैट केस, उस केस में जब कोफिशिएंट्स इक्वल हों और उनका साइन एक दूसरे का अपोजिट हो तो दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम ऐड करते हैं. सो वी राइट हियर एडिंग. बट if the coefficients are equal in values and they have the same sign, in that case you need to subtract the second equation from the first one. तो यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे. सो दे आर अपोजिट इन साइन, इक्वल इन वैल्यूज, सो कैंसिल. बोथ द टर्म्स आर लाइक टर्म्स, सेम साइन, so we will add and get 2x. Here the constants are of same sign, so we will get here 5 plus 3 8. So to get x, I hope every one of you know, we will divide it by 2 and get the value of x as 4. After getting the value of the variable, you need to put that numerical value of the variable in one of the equations. Putting x equals to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus y equals to 5. So at the place of x you will be putting 4. So 4 plus y equals to 5. This is an equation in y. So y equals to 5 minus 4, which becomes 1. Therefore we have got the values of x and y. Write them together and mention it as answer. X equals to 4 and y equals to 1. Answer. Next, question number 3. We have the equations as y equals to 2x minus 6 and y equals to 0. What shall we do? Shall we go for addition subtraction method? No. Why to use addition subtraction method? We use any of the 4 methods to get the values of x and y ना. हम चारों में से कोई भी तरीका लगाते हैं x और y की वैल्यू लाने के लिए. तो y की वैल्यू तो ऑलरेडी यहाँ दी हुई है, तो जस्ट इस y की वैल्यू को इक्वेशन 1 में पुट कर देंगे तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So we will not go for addition subtraction method as I went in question number 2. So you will be writing here, putting y equals to 0 in equation 1. The value of y is 0 in equation 2. So that value of y you will put in 1. So 0 equals to 2x minus 6. 0 plus 6 equals to 2x. 6 equals to 2x. Therefore 6 by 2 equals to x. X equals to 3. Write both the values. X equals to 3, y equals to 0. Question number 4. We have p equals to 2q minus 1. q equals to 5 minus 3p. Here p is the subject in equation 1, q is the subject in equation 2. If you wish, you can get the values of p and q by substitution method. In substitution method what we do? Substitution method में हम क्या करते हैं, एक वेरिएबल को सब्जेक्ट बना करके उस वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को दूसरे इक्वेशन में रख देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे p वेरिएबल सब्जेक्ट है, इस p की वैल्यू को हम इसमें यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. बट आई विल डू इट बाय एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मेथड. So do it by addition subtraction method, my dear students. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मेथड से करने के लिए पहला शर्त यह है कि इक्वेशन में जो वेरिएबल्स हैं वो सभी वेरिएबल्स एक तरफ होने चाहिए, इक्वेशन में एक तरफ होने चाहिए. ओके, आप देखिए p इक्वेशन के लेफ्ट साइड में है और q राइट साइड में है. So I am not going to number them as equation 1 and equation 2. First I will change these two equations in the proper format. What is the proper format? The variables, both the variables should be on one side of the equation. Okay. So or change it, get this 2q this side. p minus 2q equals to minus 1. Now you can number it as 1. Similarly come to this one, get this minus 3p this side. I hope you know what you will get. You will get 3p plus 3p plus q. So these are the new form, changed form, proper form of these two equations. I have changed the equations to the proper format. Now I will go for the suitable method and I will use the concept what I know. The concept says that I am going to do it by addition subtraction method. The concept says that, what the concept says? The variable which you want to eliminate, I want to eliminate the terms of q from the equations. So to eliminate q, I need to make the coefficients in both the equations of the term q same to same. मुझे q को एलिमिनेट कराने के लिए दोनों इक्वेशंस में q वाले टर्म्स के कोफिशिएंट्स सेम करने होंगे. तो यहाँ कोफिशिएंट 2 है, आप बोल सकते हो -2, बट साइन को इग्नोर कर रहा हूँ मैं. यहाँ q का कोफिशिएंट 2 है और यहाँ q का कोफिशिएंट 1 है. दोनों को पहले हम लोग इक्वल करेंगे. हाउ कैन वी मेक देम इक्वल? मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना होगा. यही समझना है आपको. We should multiply by a proper number. Here it is 2, here it is 1. So LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. I mean we need to make the equations 2. How can we make the equations 2? Sorry, how can we make the terms of q with same coefficient? For that हमको इस इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 2 से. तब जाके हम इस q और इस q दोनों q वाले टर्म्स के कोफिशिएंट्स को इक्वल देख पाएंगे. नहीं समझ में आया तो फिर से बताता हूं. जो टर्म्स एलिमिनेट कराना है उनका एलसीएम निकालिए कोफिशिएंट्स के. कोफिशिएंट हो गया 2, यहां कोफिशिएंट हो गया 1. एलसीएम क्या होगा? 2. तो इसको 2 बनाने के लिए, ये तो ऑलरेडी 2 है, इसको 2 बनाने के लिए इस इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 2 से. और इसको मल्टीप्लाई अगर करना चाहते हैं तो करिए 1 से, बट 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का कोई मतलब नहीं. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग इन इक्वेशंस को फिर से लिख लेंगे. कैसे? प्लीज सी. p माइनस 2q इक्वल्स टू -1. मल्टीप्लाई करिए. When you multiply an equation by a number, to get the result, every term should be multiplied by that number. So this 3p will be multiplied by 2. You will get 6p. This q will be multiplied by 2 plus 2q. Wait. Next, it equals to 10. This becomes 6p, this becomes 2q, this becomes 10. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now we need to do addition or subtraction according to the need. Okay, so please see, the coefficients are equal 2 and 2, but they are opposite in sign. As I said in question number 2, if the variables to be eliminated have the equal coefficients but opposite in sign, in that case we add the equations. We add the equations. Cancel out. These two have the same sign, so we will get 7p, and here 10 minus 1 we get 9. So the value of p is 9 by 7. This value of p, as I told you, after getting the value of a variable, that numerical value of the variable we substitute in any of the two equations, So putting p equals to 9 by 7 in equation 1. Put here 9 by 7 minus 2q equals to minus 1. I hope you know how to get the value of q, because I know that you have studied how to simplify an equation in one variable in class 7 and 8. So this 9 by 7 you need to take that side of the equation. So you will be writing minus 1 minus 9 by 7. Addition changes, converts to subtraction. Same sign, take LCM, 7. This becomes minus 7, minus 9, same sign, minus 16 by 7. This is minus 2q, and I hope you know minus minus you can cancel out. So 2q equals to 16 by 7. Therefore q equals to 16 by 7 into 1 by 2. 2 8 ja 16. So we get 8 by 7. So value of p we have got as 9 by 7 and value of q 8 by 7. Write them together. Therefore p equals to 9 by 7, q equals to 8 by 7. Answer. Next, I am going to do question number 5 now. 9x plus 4y equals to 5. 4x minus 5y equals to 9. Two equations. In the equations, the variables on one side, number them as 1 and 2, and let us have a discussion. What discussion? Discussion over a term to be eliminated. चलिए अब डिस्कस करते हैं कि किसको एलिमिनेट करना है. तो चलिए y को ही एलिमिनेट कराते हैं. सो y को एलिमिनेट कराने के लिए दोनों y वाले टर्म्स के कोफिशिएंट सेम होने चाहिए. यहाँ 4 है, यहाँ 5 है. सो एलसीएम ऑफ 4 and 5, you are in class 9, I hope you know, 20. So since LCM is 20, it means both the coefficients 4 and 5 should be changed to 20. So how can we change them to 20? To make this 420, I need to multiply this equation by 5 and this by 4. So this equation should be multiplied by 5 and this one by 4. Just make these symbols. No need to write multiplying equation 1 by 5, equation 2 by 4. No need. Just use these symbols. These are enough to say that you are multiplying the equations 1 and 2 by 5 and 4 respectively. Now do the multiplication and rewrite the results. 5 9 ja 45x plus 20y equals to 25. मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर से सही सही लिखिए. 4 4 जा 16x minus 20y equals to 36. We will add because both the terms are equal in value, opposite in sign. So just we will add If they have same sign, same value, in that case we will go for subtraction. Same sign, the terms of x have same sign, we will add 61x equals to let me see the question. 9x plus 4y equals to 5, 4x minus 5y equals to 9. I have made one careless mistake. 4 9 ja 36, sorry, 6 5 11, 3 2 5 1 6. So what have we done? We have eliminated the term of y. So the value of x is 61 by 61 1. So this value of x we will substitute in equation 1 to get the value of y. Putting x equals to 1 in equation 1, which is 9x plus 4y equals to 5. The value of x is 1, substitute here. So 9 into 1 plus 4y equals to 5. 4y equals to 5 minus 9. 4y equals to, I hope you know, 5 minus 9 will be minus 4. So y equals to minus 4 by 4. So we get minus 1. Write them together. X equals to 1, y equals to minus 1. Write here answer. So I have done first 5 questions in this video. The remaining questions we will do in the coming videos. Wait for the videos to come. Bye bye. See you.